lahat po na ba dapat digital na ngayon? Bakit wala pong soft copy ang HCAP?
For fiscal year
2025 HCAP, wala pong soft copy yan. So, bakit po kaya walang soft copy ang HCAP? Kung yung NEP may soft copy na pinapublish po yung DBM, kung yung GAA na papublish po may soft copy, bakit po kaya walang soft copy yung HGAB? At sigurado po ba tayo na magkakaroon ng soft copy ang HGAB ngayong 2026 budget?
So the requirement
wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang ang gagawin kasi public record yan eh. And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba? Kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng taong bayan.
The year budget. So if we can get back to you on that, again, I can also ask the COMSEC to sit down and tackle the request, which we will put under consideration.
So, Madam Chair, I don't need to sit down with the COMSEC. I am just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko, members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. Committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions while they're working on
Yes, I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon parang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may dalawang distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May dalawang distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang net nila is 2.530 billion. And then, pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa net. Pagdating sa GAA, 20.795. So, tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion. Doon sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So, dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba? Kasi di ba kung meron ang dali-dali naman, di ba kawala?
So the meeting suspended.
Yun. mayor.